Well, and just after 6:30 Thursday night, Fremont residents took cover as severe thunderstorms rolled in. The Nebraska Weather Service reporting egg to baseball-sized hail with 82-mile-per-hour wind gusts. The hail pelting homes and cars, the intense wind breaking large branches. One resident said it sounded like a war zone.
See where it was picking up dust?
Yeah.
And dirt, and it just kept rolling and kept coming, and Lori and I looked at each other and said, well, maybe we ought to go in and go down to the basement.
At this point, there are no confirmed tornadoes in Fremont.